Hello people, and welcome to another chain tutorial. In this video I am showing you how to make a Roundmaille chain. For this chain the minimum aspect ratio is 3.2 and general is 3.5 to 5. My jump rings are again from 1.5mm wire and the inner diameter is 6, so my aspect ratio is 4. The pattern looks similar to box chain, but they are not quite the same. The start of this chain is the same as in inverted round chain, so 2 1 2 1 2 chain, and you just need to join the double jump ring ends together, and this is where we start. Now next what we need to do for this chain is, again just like in inverted round chain, we add 3 jump ring layers, but in this case we are putting 1 row on the inside of the chain and 1 row on the outside. So from this point we are adding 1 layer on the inside to pair these 3, and the jump ring goes through the middle of the double jump rings here. From there and there. The next jump ring over there, and 1 more. Through here and out there. There. Now we have 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. You get the idea. Next, like I said, we add a row to the outside. And what that means is these jump rings are on the outside and these are on the inside. So we lock this jump ring and that. Then there and there. And 1 more. It goes here and there. And that's what you are supposed to do until your chain is the length you want. I will wave this chain short chain until my jump rings are done, and let's check it out after that. Okay, here is Roundmaille chain. As the name suggests, it is round, unlike box chain, which is more like a square box. Even though the pattern is quite similar. But yeah, this is one of my least favorite chains to make, because the waving part, the unfinished head chain, can be a little messy. Again, my chain is quite big, but I hope it shows good on camera. But yeah, that's how you make a roundmaille chain. I hope this was helpful to you, and I see you in next one.